As use of artificial intelligence grows, so does the scrutiny around using it as a tool in everyday life. Right now, an attorney is responding to sanctions placed on him for using AI. 5 News reporter Bo Russell in the newsroom now. And Bo, this federal judge says attorneys' use of AI was obvious and flagrant, and that's not the only issue involved with this.
Darren, yeah, Tony Pirani of Pirani Law was just sanctioned and sent forward with millions of dollars in a racketeering and conspiracy case. Now he's in an even deeper hole because the judge said AI used in Pirani's court filings presented false information.
Multi-million-dollar fine comes from a jury verdict in what's being dubbed as a hearse-chasing lawsuit. Pirani was found liable for the solicitation of clients at funeral homes by sending people known as runners to find clients for wrongful death cases. Pirani says he had no knowledge it was happening.
I have always tried to emphasize and be clear so that people know that I had no idea that these people existed. I certainly had no idea that they had any connection to this case whatsoever.
According to an order by U.S. District Judge Timothy L. Brooks, Pirani violated federal rules of civil procedure when he used AI to create and electronically sign court filings that contain citations to cases that don't exist and quotes of non-existent passages. Pirani does admit to making this mistake.
I was completely unaware of that, or I never ever would have even attempted to use it. And I am more remorseful and regretful about this than I could possibly explain. I'm embarrassed. I'm mortified. I've been practicing law for going on 20 years. I've built my reputation.
For much of 2024, Pirani says he was in the hospital dealing with a fungal lung infection, which is why he says he used AI.
I even had to participate in a hearing in front of Judge Arnold from my hospital bed while I was in the hospital being treated for these life-threatening infections.
As far as the racketeering case, Pirani says he had asked for a continuance because of his health issues. Court documents show the judge denied the request, saying that while Pirani was dealing with his illness and that case, he still chose to take on new cases.
The plaintiff in that case, attorney Jason Hatfield, responded to our request for comment, saying, quote, "We pursued this case for the benefit of grieving families and the honor of our profession. I am proud of the case our trial team presented, and I am thankful for the jury's careful attention to the facts and law. It was a fair and just result." Pirani's telling me he has to file a formal response by August 18th. He says he plans to argue why he shouldn't be hit with more sanctions, including fines and a referral to the Arkansas Judiciary Office of Professional Counsel. In the meantime, Judge Brooks' order to show cause says the court will not grant any extension of this deadline. I'm Bo Russell, 5 News.
All right, Bo, thank you for that report.